So I might be smiling right now. I was just telling my student we're like an hour or so from the beach, and he was like, I want to go back. And why does he want to go back?
Been a long day, guys.
Yeah, we got a ticket. Pretty long one. I don't want to show it because it has some personal information on it, like his information. But here's what happened. I scaled the load out in Temple, Texas early this morning. I hit the scales. The scale is real wide, but it does axle by axle by axle. And I'm 99% sure I hit that scale square. So there's not a chance that my tires were riding on the outside or nothing. No, I'm normally pretty good when I go to scale out. And you know, my drives had some room on them. I actually had quite a bit of room. And my tandems were like 33 something. Barely legal, but legal. I rolled down the road with it. I'm like, all right, let's go, we're legal. We get almost all the way down to the Mexico-Texas border, and we get called into a scale house. We go across the scale, and guess what? We're over 36, not 34. So we get a ticket for being overweight. 20, I don't know, over 2,000 pounds. All right, it was underneath 25. Thankfully, if it was over 25, we'd be paying a whole lot more. The ticket's like $500 some odd. But here's the thing. When we left, I scaled out. It was legal. So is the Walmart scale off or not? They're gonna get it checked. We don't know. But the DOT also did open up the back of the trailer and put a DOT seal on it, so that way we know that we're good because we are hauling food. And the Walmart people or whatever, they didn't put a strap on it. So a couple pallets of water had shifted, and those pallets of water, man, I'm telling you, water and juice, they're heavy. And they went to the back, causing our axles to be overweight. Now, as a training exercise, well, not really a training exercise, but training, what could have been done, probably should have, when I saw it was 33 and I had the extra room on my rear axles, on my drive axles, I should have slid. Even though I didn't have to, but I mean, if you can slide and not be close to being over, it's just ideal to do that. But we got to take the ticket back to Walmart. I don't know if we're going to be responsible to pay it or not yet. It's just going to have to get researched. But at the end of the day, you are responsible for your load, even though that the trailer is sealed. It's just one of those things, man. It's just one of those things. But we're gonna get off that. I want to talk about some of the video that I took over at the beach. A few things. I lost a little bit of footage, and I didn't record as much as I was wanting to or hoping to. Partly because when I got to the beach, I was like, I'm at the beach! I was so excited, and I ended up just swimming a lot, trying to catch some fish. Didn't catch any fish, and that's why there's no video of me catching any fish. It was really kind of no fish kind of experience, but we did have some fish hit our legs, so that was kind of interesting. I did get this weird like floating fishy hot dog with wings kind of like thing floating in the ocean. So I got a video of that. I have no idea what it is, so if any of you guys know, please let me know. But I am in the process of getting it all rendered and getting it uploaded to my laptop, which you can see right over there. I'm pointing in the wrong direction. There you go. It is a little bit on the old side, and so it takes a little while for it to get through some of the high def videos. I also do need to try to get around to doing the voiceover on the drone footage. I did get some pretty awesome drone footage, guys. I might be uploading some pictures of the drone footage over to my Instagram. I'm kind of torn if I want to or not want to, because I don't want to like spoil like the majestic of Padre Beach, South Padre. Now, let's talk about South Padre. It was a freaking awesome beach, okay? I loved it there. But the fishing wasn't that good. Traffic was really heavy there, alright? So there's another beach. I said the name once, I won't say it again. I don't want that beach to get overloaded with people. But I am planning on going over to what I call my beach. The fishing there is so much better. Both Bayside and Oceanside. So I'm planning on trying to get over there maybe this year. I want to try to get my line back in the water and actually catch some fish and cook them. But anyway, that's basically going to be the end of this video. I'm just going to straight upload this one. But yeah, so when it comes to loading and strapping and all of that, don't forget you are responsible. When I go back, I might ask them, you know, if I'm getting close to being at the legal axle limits and I can't slide, meaning I'm near max capacity, I might just add into, you know, that we just go and get a scale ticket, a certified scale ticket from CAT, just cover all bases in case their scale's wrong or this or that or whatever. Because if you have a CAT scale ticket, as we all know, or maybe as drivers know, not necessarily, you know, people that might be watching my channel, but if you have a CAT scale ticket and you get an overweight ticket, the CAT scale people will actually fight your ticket. This is a turn lane too.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to go that way. Oh, this, you go straight here.
I need to go right.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's a real big reason to have a CAT scale ticket. You know, it really does, you know, cover your bases, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And definitely hit the subscribe button, because if I gotta pay this ticket, yeah, guys, it's going to be expensive. Like maybe 15 steak dinners? Ticket expensive? Like, yeah, 15, 14, 15. Maybe a little bit less counting tips. I don't know. But it's a penny. Pretty big one. Anyway, later. Oh, I got a video coming up real soon showing my year-to-date profits, taxes, and all that. I'm actually going to show my actual pay stubs and blah, 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 blah. And yeah, see you on the next one later.